In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code into your Wix site using a share link. We'll take an embed code from a platform, like a video, a form, or a map, and place it directly onto your Wix page so it appears exactly where you want it. Start on the page that has the content you want to embed. Look for the share button. This is usually easy to spot near the content itself, often under a video, beside a map, or within a form's menu. Click on Share to open the sharing options. From there, choose Get Embed Code. If you see multiple choices, you want the option that gives you the full HTML embed, typically starting with an iframe tag. Go ahead and click Copy. Make sure the entire snippet is selected, including everything inside the angle brackets, so you don't miss any necessary attributes. Now head over to Wix and open your site in the Wix editor. On the left side of the editor interface, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click the plus sign on the left side. This is the Add menu. In the Add menu, find the section labeled Embed Code. It may be grouped under something like Embed or Custom Embeds. Select that, then click on Embed HTML. This creates a placeholder on your page and opens a settings panel for the code. In the field provided, paste the code here, the exact embed code you copied earlier. Be sure you're pasting the full HTML snippets, not just a link, as a URL alone won't render the embedded content. After pasting, click on Update. This tells Wix to process the code and display a live preview right in the editor. If the content supports embedding, you should see it appear within the placeholder. A couple of quick tips to help everything display smoothly. If nothing shows up, double check that you copied the complete embed code and that the source allows embedding on external sites. Some services require specific permissions. Also, using a secure embed that starts with HTTPS helps prevent browser security warnings. If the embedded content looks cramped or too large, the container Wix created can be adjusted later to fit your layout, and many embeds also support responsive sizing through their own code options. That's it. You clicked Share, selected Get Embed Code, copied it, went to Wix, opened the Add menu with the plus sign, found Embed Code, chose Embed HTML, pasted the code, and clicked Update. Follow these steps and your external content will appear seamlessly on your Wix page.